Alright guys, we got another episode. Came across Astral Radiance, got an Elite Trainer box. Don't know much about this set. This is day one of the release, well, official release. You see all the other stuff on YouTube. Got some extra code cards here. I am going to pass out some extras as we go, but happy Astral Radiance release day. I'm excited to scan through the little booklet here. I know drive some people crazy with the filler time, and if you're like me, when you watch excuse me, watch people on YouTube, you just want to get them to get to the opening. Let's just, where did the booklet go? This should have card lists. Let's just scan the last two. Is that it? I thought there was some. Oh, there they are. The gold cards. Some of those are great. And I've had luck on release day Elite Trainer boxes. I think Champion's Path. I didn't pull it on screen. But Champion's Path, I pulled that Charizard. Should have done it on screen. 6, and there's the 8 packs in this one. Is there a promo card? There's that. All the other junk. So they don't do a promo card in this one, huh? Got some sleeves. We can break open the sleeves now. I don't know why one pack is a different direction from the rest, but leave that one for the end. Let's open this up because we're going to use some. What do we want? I don't think there's any big Charizard cards in this pack. So we're going to hope for gold. Never upset when you pull gold, right? Trekking Shoes, Magneton, Roxanne, Ralts, Hisuian Sneasel, Mischievous, Barboach, Scyther, Kricketot, Origin Form Dialga. That's a nice hit. But I think we're going to do the card. Sorry, I'm a little distracted. I think we're going to do it the other way because I think, watch, this pack won't have anything if it ran. Consistent with older sets where the back of the code card shows different colors. So I won't be surprised if this one isn't. Yep. All right, so let's put this one in there. One hit. All right. So now, how do I want to do this? Let's think the way I've done it in the past. You see that? 2, 3, 4. Build the suspense a bit because that used to be a bummer in the older Sun and Moon sets when you'd get that green card, that green code card, and you're like, yep, this isn't anything. Drifloon, Sudowoodo, oh, very cool character card, and Regice. That's pretty cool. Oh. Nope. They're gone forever. Oh, we got some spare cards to give away that I hadn't got to yet. Mighty Mysterious 10, Mimikyu. I think that's just the single card. I don't know how those work. All right. Chocolate Quillfish. I've seen this. Is that a rare pull? And it's out of place. Did I do the card trick? That's just phenomenal. Okay. I didn't do the card trick. What am I doing? Okay, that makes more sense. So there's Regigigas. Radiant Greninja. Is this the only Radiant? I'll have to look when I pull them later. Wonder how many other Radiants there are, because I've seen that one get pulled. I don't know what I'm doing. That's just lame. I've seen that one get pulled multiple times, so I must not have done the card thing. Too distracted, huh? Alright, so... Radiant Greninja looks great, though. Okay. So what do we have? 4 packs and 3 hits. Not terrible. And we get a gold. We like gold. I love gold. After this, I may go back to the Shining Fates again. The newer sets after that, I haven't been pulling too many Evolving Skies. Vivid Voltage. Fusion Strike. So we'll get these ones just on release date, and maybe we'll go back to the others. My brother found a full case. What is it called? Is it terminology just a case? I don't know, the 30-pack, 36-pack, or whatever from a game store in the city, and he texted me. He found the full thing of Astral Radiance for 110 bucks. A little jealous when he texted me that. Not too hot. We'd like a hit on this last one. I hope they end up with more than just what we pulled. Let's see. Last pack here. We're gonna pause and get you guys those. For anybody hanging out still and watching. Come on, give us a hit. Let's finish with the banger. Nope. Alright, so our first little bit of Astral Radiance are those 3 ones there. Thanks, guys. See you next time.